Hello, my friends. How are you? See you again on the Melintasi channel. Who would have thought Indonesia actually has a toll road that is very unique and rare, perhaps even the only one in the world? This time we will witness a spectacular view from the air, a toll road built on the Mataram Selokan River. From a drone's point of view, we can see the beauty and wonder of this construction. Just imagine, a modern highway floating above the water flow that divides this region. From a height, we can see an incredibly unique view, a modern toll road that extends and seems to float above the flowing water of the Mataram ditch. This toll road not only functions as a transportation route that makes it easier for Jogja residents, but is also clear evidence of construction innovation that utilizes space efficiently. Just imagine, driving on water while enjoying the beautiful views typical of Yogyakarta. The Mataram Saw itself is not just any saw. Built during colonial times, this aqueduct has a long history connecting the city with its rich architectural and agricultural heritage. However, who would have thought that now, over a ditch that was once used for irrigation, a majestic toll road stretches, a silent witness to the combination of history and modern progress. With the beauty of this drone view, we can see how every curve of the toll road is in harmony with the flow of the Mataram ditch below, creating harmony between nature and technology. This spectacular view really proves that Jogja is not only famous for its culture, but also its innovation in infrastructure. This project is not an easy job. Building a toll road over a water channel that has existed since colonial times is a big challenge that requires careful planning and sophisticated technology. First of all, engineers had to ensure that the water flow in the Mataram ditch was not disrupted during the construction process. Therefore, various innovative methods are applied to maintain a balance between development and the environment, such as the use of special piles that are embedded in the ground without damaging the river structure. Furthermore, the construction of this toll road involves precision flyover construction techniques, where road sections are installed in stages to reduce the impact on the ecosystem below. Each segment of the road was lifted and installed using a large crane, creating stunning views as the project progressed. The work is carried out carefully so that the Mataram ditch continues to function as an irrigation system, while preserving the surrounding environment. Not only about physical construction, this project is also a symbol of the progress of Yogyakarta, which continues to move forward without forgetting its history and cultural heritage. The Mataram ditch, which was once built to irrigate agricultural land, is now under a toll road that connects various areas of the city, providing new benefits for modern society. To understand how this project came to fruition, we need to look back at the history of the Mataram Ditch. This water channel was built during the Dutch colonial period, to be precise in 1942, as part of an irrigation program designed by Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX. The Mataram Ditch was created to channel water from the Progo River to rice fields in Yogyakarta and its surroundings. This brilliant idea by the Sultan not only saved agricultural land from drought, but also became proof of his ingenuity in optimizing natural resources. The construction process begins with strengthening the structure of the Mataram Ditch, ensuring a solid foundation before the toll road support pillars are installed. The elevated construction technique is used to stretch the road over the drainage ditch, with each segment being raised in stages. This work was carried out with great precision to minimize the impact on the environment and preserve the beauty of Jogja's famous landscape. Let's appreciate how this development shows extraordinary technical expertise, as well as concern for the environment and local culture. From the height of a drone, we can see the results of hard work that produced an infrastructure masterpiece, where past and present blend in beautiful harmony. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to follow our journey to see the beauty of Indonesia from the air.